Beloksa.
Kalista.
Cherry.
Never.
Meow.
Miss Kumo.
Hi! Today, we'll make a vlog about our activity on open house another school. Let's follow us!
Si girl.
Hello! My name is Cherry, and right now, we will begin the open house with Mr. Thomas' speech. The chairman of the foundation. He gave a brief opening message to welcome all the guests and participants.
So this is senior high school. Like, oh my god, there's Dol and Wayang. And there's Mona. I don't know what is the color, but okay. And there's Sir Thomas. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Ananda School, guys. More than just a place to study, it's a place to learn, create, and make memories. With energy, creativity, and friendship all around, every moment becomes a story.
And this is my team. Yeah, we are still waiting for our team. I don't know where are they. This is junior high school. And wow, wow. There is volcano. Okay. There is elementary high school. And this is kindergarten. Wow, so cute. That is our team.
Seems delicious.
Oh my goodness, I love this. Yeah.
Thank you.
And see you next time, guys.
Kenapa sih harus nyebut nama dong? Udah di videoin.
Are you guys finished yet? I was stuck in my bed. But well, I have to go.